Hello dear children, today we are going to learn object drawing. We all know there are two types of object drawing. One is man-made and another is natural. So today we are going to learn combination of natural and man-made object drawing.
Let's enjoy the activity.
For this activity children we need paper, pencil, eraser, black sketch pen and oil pastels. Let's enjoy the activity. First we will draw the picture. Before that I have made border to this page. We are going to draw one tub and pumpkin slice. First I will keep 4 finger distance from down and draw a line. Line should be very light. Now children, I am going to draw one oval upside. It is a top of the tub. If you want, you can keep 2 to 3 finger distance from up. Then the standing line which is helping us to hold the tub. Then 2 slant lines approximate 3 finger to 3.5 finger distance in between this. Then join these lines and make a tub. Then children, we are going to draw slice over here. For that I will draw horizontal or slant line. Then I will join it, seeds of the pumpkin and the pumpkin slice. After completing this much, children, we will make border with the help of sketch pen. For coloring, we need different shades of the blue color. It is a Persian blue, cerulean blue, light blue or sky blue, and it is a white. So with the help of blue shades, we are going to color this tub. Children, I am making 2 equal parts of this tub and again 2 equal parts here. Means I have made 4 equal parts of this tub. First I will start with this Persian blue color. In this last portion, I will leave little space and I will fill that portion with Persian blue color. Okay, children, please keep in mind how you are holding the color and how you are giving the color. That is very important. After that, cerulean blue I will use here. First I will mix in this color. I will get one more shade here like this, and it is a main object color. So here we will give as a reflective light. Then children, lightly I will move ahead. Then I will keep highlight over here. Highlight means super white. Okay, and then this light blue color I will give here. This portion near to white we will merge with white color. Children, as we learn in a scenery, we can use our fingertip or tissue paper or any other material like a cotton or any other material we can use to merge it. See, such a lovely it is looking. Now we are going to do opposite here, because when light is coming from this side, it is always we can see lighter tone here at the opposite. So I am giving dark here. It is a Persian blue. Then right, it is a cerulean blue. Then I will leave white over here. Then sky blue. This portion is little bit out, so I am going to give dark here. Then cerulean blue, light blue, white here, again light blue, and merge it properly. Now children, here the shadow will come, so I am giving little shadow here and will merge with the particular color. Now children, after completing this, this upper portion is there, so somewhere we will give light blue and then we are going to merge it with white. So our tub is ready. For this pumpkin slice, we are going to use lemon yellow, medium yellow, deep yellow, orange and sap green. First we will start with lemon yellow. Upside we will give lemon yellow. Then we will merge this color with medium yellow. Then we will use this deep yellow. At the end, orange. For merging you can use any type of material, but merge it so it will look very nice. At the end, children, I am using this sap green, little bit outer portion of the pumpkin slice, and then I will merge it with orange. So it will give us a realistic effect of the slice. Here inside we are going to give orange color, and we will merge it with deep yellow, and then we will use this red or vermilion hue, and we will give little thread effect. Which pumpkin is having thread effect we can show here. After completing the shading of the both the object, now I am using this light green color to give down. After filling this green color, children, I am going to use little bit black color and gray and little dark green color to show the shadow. Okay, it is a 3D, or both are the 3D object, but we can show different shadow of this object because it is not touching to the floor, and here we can show in a different way like this. After black I am using the down portion color because the floor is of a green color, and then I will use this gray color to merge this black. And after this shadow we are going to merge it. Yes, we can see little shadow here because half of the shadow hide because of this pumpkin. Last I am going to show little shadow of this. It's very delicate, children, do very slowly. We can show this shadow with black and orange. Children, our 3D object drawing is ready.